Hi friends, today I will do a comparison of Infinix Hot 12 versus 12 Pro. So let's see the detail of in-hand feel. Let's see the comparison detail of display. Let's discuss about both the phone camera. Let's start with Infinix Hot 12. Its primary camera comes with 13 megapixel aperture 1.8 or depth camera of 2 megapixel aperture 2.2 or HDR LED flash. Let's talk about Infinix Hot 12 Pro. It's also have a dual camera setup and its primary camera has 50 megapixel aperture 1.8 or depth camera of 2 megapixel aperture 2.2 or HDR LED flash. Let's come on price. Infinix Hot 12 come around $9,000 of $113 of 6GB RAM or Infinix Hot 12 Pro come around $11,000 of $139 of 6GB RAM or 64GB internal storage. Let's come on result. Hot 12 versus Hot 12 Pro. Design wise both the phone have good looking design, display are also good, there is a better camera on Hot 12 Pro, hardware is also better on Hot 12 Pro, connectivity are same, charging are same and there is a better price on Hot 12. So thanks for watching our video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Have a nice day, thanks for watching our video.